Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to use the dating app. Also, it will be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you set up your account here? How do you download the app? Well, downloading the T dating app here is very easy. So you can either go to their official web page here, which is t4women.com, and just click on the Get on Google Play, or in this case, download on the App Store, depending on what device. So if you're using an iPhone, choose the App Store option. If you are using an Android device, go and choose the Google Play option here. So once you click on this one, or directly search T on the Google Play Store here, let's go to the Google Play here, you should be able to see this app here. Now let's go and click on Install. Now from here, it's going to start the installation process. You just need to wait for a few seconds or a few minutes here, depending on your interconnectivity. But once it's actually done, we should be able to open up the app. So let's just wait for it. Now, let's go and click on Open. Now, from here, we need to understand a few things. Now, the T-Dating app here, only women can actually use the app itself. Now, you can either continue with your Google account or your Facebook account here. Now, by the way, you may not see the actual screen for T-Dating app here because the screen itself is actually protected. So again, people will not be able to record what is happening right now on the app itself. They won't be able to basically take screenshots. But to you speaking, this is where you could just basically create your account. So either your Google account or your Facebook account. Now you can go and just choose your, in this case, your Google account, as you can see right now. And once you've chosen your Google account here, this will allow you to fill up some details about yourself and just basically introduce you on how T actually works. Now, there are a lot of safety tools here. You can go and click on Get Started, a lot of notifications. But yeah, so that's how you get started on using the T dating app here. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.